Hey, welcome to Strategic Branding Design. Let me share with you a strategy behind this fantastic brand solution. Okay? What was the challenge in the category where orange juice is perceived as a commodity? Whenever you go to a market to buy orange juice, you say that, hey, buy whichever brand, doesn't matter. All orange juices are same. After all, it's a fruit juice. There is a kind of a commoditization in the market. The Tropicana was losing distinctiveness. Henceforth, people are opting for any brand which provides the orange juice. They weren't very much keen about Tropicana. With the consumers seeing a little difference between brands. This is something which has been growing. People see orange juice as orange juice. They don't able to differentiate between the Tropicana orange juice versus other brands. This was a huge problem in the market. So that is where brands started looking at its assets and try to create the message through these assets. As we all know, if I say purest form of juice or a natural juice, as if you're directly sucking from the fruit itself. This is a good metaphor which has been a part of Tropicana. So they wanted to encash this metaphor. It represents the real juice. It represents the fresh. It represents you're enjoying direct from the source, direct from the fruit itself. It's a great visual hook for the Tropicana. The moment I show this image, everybody recall, hey, this belongs to Tropicana. That's a good sign. And further, if you see, they try to emphasize original and since 1947. That heritage part started highlighting, which was once upon a time part of a Tropicana. In between, they left this, but again they came back in this rejuvenation exercise. The insights were the Tropicana's true advantage wasn't a functional, it was a heritage and authenticity. Further, being original is one of the attributes associated with Tropicana. Real story, of course, they have been there 1947. Real founders, they started this whole journey. And of course, credible source, and it has got a narrative. The kind of brand story this has, nobody can replicate that. It's very unique to Tropicana. Further, let's look at a design solutions. Redesign brought the orange origin story, which is part of Tropicana, and founded a legacy forefront that again you saw that the since 1947 aspect which is reenacted and using iconic symbol archival cues and crafted details. This particular visual hook become integral part of Tropicana and repositioning Tropicana as that juice. It's basically, if you see, they have this concept called, hey, it's that juice. It is that original juice. It is that original heritage juice. It's that original good quality juice. So it's that juice become the positioning. It has got that emotional connection rather than just a product. And quality and authenticities are a part of this brand. That's how they repositioned Tropicana. And based on that, they recreated their designs. So you can see identity got this origin since 1947 and this iconic image. And of course, these are the variant story, orange, blue, green. Clearly you can see the three different variants, extra, pure, smooth, and original. And further, once you have this iconic symbol, you can play with it, you can create this merchandising and visual. They become part of the culture. So that's how this rebranding has been done, and it become a new rejuvenated avatar, and it is becoming part of a culture. And this original story and since 1947 and this visual hook kind of become a part of this Tropicana story and narrative. When you're creating strategic brand design, you have to make sure that you have a narrative, you have a visual hook, and of course, fantastically designed, aesthetically enhanced appeal to your overall visual narrative. That's it for today's discussion. Thanks for listening.